Babnya. Ketenat transport ke jelah ringkat ke jing snok tilang ba ketenat civil aviation ke Sorkar Pdeng hene kesngi kelapan long ya ke Jingpynher Liengsuiñ Duriaw ni seaplane demonstration ha water sports complex Umiam. Myntri ketenat civil aviation ke Sorkar Pdeng Rammohan Naidu Kinjarapu ulai Jingpynher ke program ringkat ke jing don lang Myntri rangba ke jelau konrad ke sangma lembat kiwe-kiwe ki he officer. Hab ai jeng keren ha ke jengelang Myntri Sorkar Pdeng ula kular ban ai jeng kershan na kebenta ban kentiu ya ke kat Liengsuiñ umroi lembat kiwe-kiwe ki jeng don kam ha liang ki kam Liengsuiñ ha meglaya. Ke India ke lakin thop ya ki kendon bay day bat ki kam Liengsuiñ na kebenta ban kam penjunsur kenang ba keni ketenat kan kiu ha po keri ula benrap. Myntri rangba ukon ke sang mau laong bagi kam Liengsuiñ kila kelalong kebenta bakongsan ban kentiu bat wanra jeng kela bat lingba ke skim udan kala kelalong ke jeng wanra jeng kela ha kaliang kikat kilat penyeso na kebenta ke India bat kamtam ke Meglaya bat katanj telap mingi barokowe.
We just had a wonderful trip. We went to the Shillong airport and also saw the Shillong city from the plane itself. And this gives us the potential of seaplane operations, especially in the northeast, where still connectivity is a big challenge. And if you look at the vision of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, he has taken the connectivity of northeast with topmost priority. Let it be road connectivity, rail connectivity or air connectivity. He wants the northeast to be integrated with the mainland with the best connectivity that is possible. We went to the Shillong airport, we have reviewed the situation there, and definitely within 1.5 years' time, we want to see that the operations are expanded and big aircrafts can also land there and boost the connectivity of the state of Meghalaya.
Government will have to play the initial role to support so that their sustainability is there, the practical side is there, and be able to move forward. But at the end of the day, it must be sustainable through tourism and other sectors working together. So I'm very hopeful that that will happen.